Okay, gold, GC. Now, just zoom this out. If this 4 is in here, okay, and I'm not overly convinced it is, then this looks to me, I've got it in this chart as a 1, 2, 3, and I'm looking for this to turn right here, and we mustn't take out this 1214.9 and give us a fifth down. That would give us a leading diagonal down for the wave 1 of the 5 down to the 1149. But I'm far from convinced that I've got that, or that on the micro level that that's how it's going to play out. It could well be that we're getting a B of the 4 and we're going to get a C up to one of the higher fibs as the GDX makes its lower low to finish its wave 3 off, and then it goes into its larger degree wave 4. So the metals are all slightly out of sync. If you look yesterday, gold was actually up on the day, silver down on the day, and the GDX down on the day. And I'm watching those invalidation levels in silver like a hawk, but I do think we're going to take out the 2015 low. Intraday, I'm not trading GC at the moment. The pattern is too messy, so I'm leaving it alone. I think the NG, CL and ES offer up the better, more predictable trading opportunities intraday at the moment. What I'm looking for in the metals is for gold to come down to that 1149 and then to take a long position, and again with the same caveats as we've been in the recent video updates in the evenings.